Good morning to everyone. Myself Kartik Mahanta. Today is my short talk topic is cognitive radios. There are many contents are there. Introduction, types of cognitive radios, diagram, working principle, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. Introduction. Cognitive radios is a form of wireless communication in which a transceiver can intelligently detect which communication channels are in use and which ones are not used. The concept of communication radios was first proposed by Joseph Metula in 1998. Cognitive radios to envelop into a fully configurable wireless transceiver that can automatically adapt to network and user demands. Types of cognitive radios. There are two types, heterogeneous cognitive radios and spectrum sharing cognitive radios. This is a diagram of cognitive radios. First, primary base station, after that primary network, after that user get network. Secondary base station. In secondary base station, user get directly network. Working of cognitive radios. A cognitive radio is a radio that can be programmed and configured dynamically to use the channels in its vicinity. It avoids user interference and congestion by automatically detecting available channels. When a vacant channel is detected, the cognitive radio adjusts its transmission to allow more concurrent wireless communications in a given band at one location. This is video of cognitive radios.
Cognitive radio will revolutionize American transportation. Through smart technology, it will anticipate user needs, detect available bandwidths and frequencies, then seamlessly connect vehicles, infrastructures, and consumer devices. And it will support the Department of Transportation IntelliDrive program, helping researchers, auto manufacturers, and federal and state officials advance the connectivity of U.S. transportation systems for improved safety, mobility, and environmental conditions. Using cognitive radio, a commercial vehicle will know its driver, onboard freight, and destination route. Drivers will save time and resources communicating with automatic toll booths and know ahead of time whether to stop at a way station or keep rolling. At accident scenes, cognitive radio sensors on freight and transportation modes can alert emergency personnel and measure on-site real-time conditions, such as a chemical leak. The sensors will connect freight to industry, relaying shipment conditions and new delivery schedules. For industry or military purposes, cognitive radio will enable real-time freight tracking around the globe. And its sensory technology can help prevent cargo theft or tampering by alerting shipper and receiver if freight is tampered with while en route. For the average consumer, a vehicle will tailor the transportation experience to the passenger, such as delivering age-appropriate movies via satellite. Cognitive radio will enhance transportation safety by continually sensing when delivered to the user, adapting to its environment and incoming information, and proposing solutions that improve transportation safety and quality of life.
Now, advantages of cognitive radios. It improves link reliability. It is low in cost. It uses advanced network topologies. It has simple network architecture. It is less in complication. Disadvantage of cognitive radios. There has no complete automation. It is always require multiple band antenna, security concern also. Now, application of cognitive radios. Cognitive radios include emergency network and WLAN, higher throughput and transmission distance extension. Thank you.